Okay, it's about 11:10, guys. Everyone is already hungry. So, Kusina Benita here today. Starting to cook our lunch for today. I have sinigang na bangos. I have all the ingredients here now that I put some tomato, onion, and ginger. And this is the milk fish that I need to sinigang. This one is boneless. And I have also a sweet potato. This is the one for our lunch. The next bat, maybe later, I just boiled already a chicken breast, for my macaroni soup salad. Okay, soup, macaroni soup. Also, the macaroni soup, the ingredients that I have it in here, later, I have that Alaskan buff. Okay. And also the carrot, and then I put some, maybe something else later on, but I cannot tell you right now because I'm not done yet. I didn't even show everything, all the ingredients for my macaroni soup. So ngayon, ang pangalawa, nalulutuin ko, 2 dish ngayon, ang lulutuin ko muna sa pananghalian namin. So of course, I have here the onion, I have the ginger, garlic, and then red hot pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna make some what you call that now, I forgot, is sisig. I have a pork sisig for our lunch today because all my company in the house, I know they said they miss the sisig, so I'm gonna make it sisig today. So that's all, guys, that I will show you once I get done, because I'm gonna cook also, because we have a little bit get together. I'm having a prayers, in my house today. Okay, so all my friends, they're coming over, to do the prayers. So I'm gonna make spaghetti only, and just like I said, I have a macaroni soup that I have to cook it for today. Okay, so this is my macaroni, and I need to use it for my macaroni soup, with the chicken. So now I just already boiled the chicken, like I told you guys. So I have to shred it, or slice it later. So that's the one. So I have chicken broth that I need to use it for my macaroni soup. Okay, that's all, guys. Once I get done, all my videos, yes, only today is just only presentation. What the next, move later after I'm done. So if I get done, with my spaghetti, I have my spaghetti, I have macaroni, and I had, what do you call, sisig and sinigang. So we're having lunch today, sinigang and sisig today. Okay, so the rest is I will show you later, guys. So thank you so much. Just I take only a picture so you guys know. Okay, but the way that I did today, I just prepared everything, and you guys know anyway the spaghetti is easy to cook. Okay, all right, thank you so much. Have a good day.